In this week's story, you will learn all about Moses and the burning bush. Today's craft is a really exciting one because it involves food. And you can use anything you like, but I'm going to tell you the things that I used. You can use anything to substitute if you don't like it. Alright, so here's what we're going to make. An edible fire. So you're going to need a plate, a knife, some sliced grapes, some slices of cheese, some twiglets, and some hummus. Now, like I said, these are just the things that I use, but you can use anything that looks like flames. You can use carrot, you can use, if you don't like cheese, you can use like the matchstick crisps if you don't like twiglets. You can use any dip you like, and you don't need to use this. I'm only using this because it helps your flames to stand up. The first thing that you're going to need to do is take your plate and make a little circle out of your sliced grapes. And these are going to represent like the edge of the fire. Make sure you ask a parent or an older sibling to cut these up first for you. Okay. There's your circle. And we're going to make our fire in the middle. I'm using hummus, but you can use any dip you like, and if you can even get yours to stand up without dip, bonus. Spread it out a bit. Then we're going to use our cheese to make little flame shapes. You can cut triangles. Do some all different sizes. So I'm going to start with big. And then you use the dip to help it to stand up. This one's going to be a bit smaller, so that one can go in front. And I'm going to cut even smaller. I've got a yellow big one. Let's do a yellow big one. Oh, it's broken. Never mind. Still quite big. This one a bit smaller. Oops. I think one more small cheddar cheese. Right. There. And then you can use whatever you've got for twigs. Put them around the edge. You can break them, stick them in between. Best thing about this week's craft is you get to eat it afterwards. There we go. One edible bonfire.